So today's story takes us to the era of China's Song dynasty. There was a family called the Yang family who were respected all over China for their bravery. But a big danger was coming towards them. The Mongol invaders wanted to capture China, but as long as the Yang family was alive, defeating China was impossible. So instead of fighting directly, the Mongols chose the path of betrayal. They joined hands with a Chinese general named Pan Me. Pan Me invited the father of the Yang family and his 7 sons to a place called Golden Beach, saying it was for a peace agreement. But as soon as they reached there, everything changed. There was no agreement, only a trap of death. Thousands of Mongol soldiers surrounded them. A very bloody battle began. The father and his sons fought bravely till their last breath, but the enemy was too many. One by one, the lights of the Yang family were extinguished. Only 2 people survived, the 5th brother and the 6th brother. The 6th brother somehow reached home, but his mind was completely broken. He could not handle the shock of losing his father and brothers, and he went mad. On the other hand, the 5th brother, badly injured, was wandering in the jungle. There he met a hunter. This hunter was once a soldier of Pan Me, but after seeing his betrayal, he had left the army. Soon Mongol soldiers reached there too. The hunter sacrificed his life to help the 5th brother escape. Before dying, he taught him one lesson, that in this corrupt world, loyalty has no value. After losing his family and the hunter, the 5th brother lost faith in humanity and the king. He decided to give up the sword and the search for peace. He reached a monastery at Mount Wutai, but there was a twist. The head monk refused to accept him. He said, "You are full of anger and revenge. A monk lives for peace, not for revenge." But the 5th brother was stubborn. When he was not accepted, he shaved his own head and forcefully stayed in the monastery. From here begins the movie's most iconic training sequence. The monks trains on wooden wolf-shaped dummies. While other monks only practice breaking the weapon, the 5th brother, because of his anger, completely destroyed the dummies. The senior monks reminded him that a monk is not meant to kill. Slowly, the teaching of Buddhism and the abbot started changing him. He learned that true strength is not killing the enemy, but in defeating and controlling them. He mastered pole fighting, which later became the famous 8-diagram pole technique. The story takes a new turn when the abbot goes to meet the queen of the Yang family to inform her that her 5th son is alive. But on the way back, Pan Me soldiers attack him and kill the abbot. Now things go out of control. The queen sends her daughter to bring back the 5th brother. But on the way, the Mongols capture her too. When this news reaches the 5th brother, he realizes that the time for peace is over. It is now time for war. But this time he is not alone, and he is no longer the angry soldier he once was. The 5th brother leaves the monastery to save his sister. Then comes the action sequence for which this movie is famous. On one side is Pan Me and his entire army, and on the other side is our hero. When the Mongols start overpowering him, suddenly all the monks of the temple enter the battlefield. This scene is truly amazing. The monks do not kill their enemies. Instead, they defang them, breaking their weapons and disabling them completely. In the end, the 5th brother defeats Pan Me. Pan Me begs for forgiveness. The old 5th brother would have killed him, but now he is a monk. He spares Pan Me's life, leaving him half dead. After everything is over, his sister asks him to come back home, but the 5th brother refuses. He tells her that he is now a monk and he will spend his entire life in the temple. So friends, this was the story of the 8-diagram pole fighter. Before leaving, here is a real life fact. During the shooting of this movie, the actor who played the 6th brother actually died in a car accident. Because of this, the director had to change the script and shift the full focus of the 5th brother. How did you like this movie? Do you think the 5th brother made the right decision? Comment below and let us know. For more unique movie explanations, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.